In this video, we are going to learn how to create a smoky effect for a coffee cup in Photoshop tutorial. So first, go to the layer panel. Click on the create a new layer icon. Go to the toolbar. Select the brush tool. Draw the wave line with the brush tool. Now go to the menu bar. Click on the filter. Go to blur gallery. Click on the path blur. Now straighten the path along with the line. Create a point by clicking on the line. Now wave the path. Select basic blur from here. Increase speed 290%. Uncheck centered blur. Now click on the top point from the path. Increase in point speed 283 px. Click on the OK button. Now reduce the smoke opacity 65%. Thanks a lot for watching the video.